All right, you guys, today I am doing a review all by myself. I didn't actually even ask Robert if he wanted to join me for this one, but he also has not tried any of these. So I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit today about this soup. The company is called Captain Soup, and the only reason I know about this is because my sweet friend Kim Howerton asked if she could ask the company to send us some of the soup. She knows of some of my GI distress in the past and wanted to give me a better option potentially for things that I could eat rather than doing like shakes and things like that. So I said yes, of course, and they sent me this soup. I've actually only tried one, but I was in love with it. I tried the green machine and I already had both of them, so I can't show you guys, but there are several different flavors here. So we have classic beef, Italian beef, classic lamb, Tom Kai, I don't know how to pronounce that one, Dijon beef, and Dijon lamb. So the super awesome thing about this is the highest, so each one of these is 16 ounces. And actually on the label, it does not actually show the macros, which I thought like was really dumb. Which is kind of rude of me to say now, but I was kind of frustrated that it didn't have the macros on it, but it is all on the website for every single flavor, so just look it up on the website, write it down, put it in your macro tracker, and then you'll have it forever. But the highest amount of carbs per every 16 ounce is the Green Machine and Italian beef, and they both have 10 grams of carbs, and that is the highest one out of all of them for the entire 16 ounces. So I think that that's really good. 10 grams of carbs is, I feel like, fairly decent for an entire meal, especially with how stinking clean these things are. So I'm gonna just read off some of the ingredients. This company is super awesome. They are like keto-friendly, paleo-friendly. They even have like an AIP bundle, which I think is super awesome because anybody who's on a different type of diet or trying out different things or trying to cut out certain foods because they're upsetting to your stomach or your body or whatever, it's super hard to find things that you can have and enjoy, and these guys are already set and ready for you. They have different things on their website that like will tell you how much lectins, FODMAP, all of these different things on their website, which is absolutely amazing. Their ingredients are super clean. So I was just really impressed with it. I didn't know what to expect when I got these, but I am super, super impressed with it. So let's just read off the classic beef one. And so there is grass-fed beef, organic vegetables, full-strength bone broth. A lot of companies will say that there's bone broth in there, and it's actually like super watered down. So full strength bone broth, and then that goes into kind of sharing what's in there, which is carrots, onion, celery, apple cider vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, lamb bones, and liver. And that is just what's inside of the bone broth. And then there's grass-fed beef, zucchini, yellow squash, spinach, garlic-infused olive oil, and pink Himalayan sea salt. These are all also like super keto-friendly, meaning the fat is higher than the protein in all of these, and I love that because then I don't have to go try to find something else to add to my meal. I think this is the only one that is really seasonal, which is the fish one, the Tom Kai, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the only one that's seasonal. I think all of the other ones are available. The ones that are in the AIP bundle are the classic beef, Italian beef, classic lamb, and that fish one. Again, only when it's in the bundle. So I just named off a few of those. Classic beef, Italian beef, classic lamb, the Tom Kai, then there's the Dijon beef and the Dijon lamb, plus that green machine that I absolutely devoured. Super good, was super, super filling. It's 16 ounces of a liquid. I thought it would be really good with like a chaffle grilled cheese sandwich because I'm just that type of girl. But I'm super impressed with this company. I will likely be adding this to my like what to keep in the freezer. They are all frozen. You just have to open the top, cut open the side of this, and pour it into a pot, or you can microwave it if that's your thing. So it's a super, super easy thing to keep on hand for you, your kids, anyone who just needs something quick to eat. something to take to work, so on and so forth. So something I'm going to keep on hand probably at all times and just keep it in the freezer. And what was the other thing I was going to say? It was, the price. Okay, so I think when I was looking at these, to add in individual, like pick and choose your own, it was $14.75 per container, which this is high quality ingredients. So you're getting like really great bone broth, you're getting really great, grass-fed meats, and then organic vegetables and things. So $14.75 for an entire meal is perfection. But I did notice that on the higher options, the options for more, which I think that has like 36 of them, it is actually only $12 and something cents per container. So if you buy them in bulk and just keep them on hand, they do get cheaper the more you buy. One of the things on the side says nutrient dense, paleo, nutritionist formulated, gluten-free, no grains, no soy. I think they all say the same thing. And then it just has directions on, how to warm it up. And this was made, it says made in Oregon with love. And it was made in Eugene, Oregon, which I think is really cool because that is very close to where my family lives. So, highly, highly recommend this soup if you guys have been looking for a keto-friendly soup, something for the holidays, something to go with just your dinner or a little chaffle sandwich. If you guys have any questions, feel free to check them out at captainsoup.com. Let me know what you think. I'm happy to share. I'm going to actually have the Italian beef for lunch today, so I'm going to check that out. I'm going to try the rest of them throughout the rest of the week. So if you guys have questions or want to know about certain ones, let me know, and I will fill you in the best I can. So, Captain Soup.